In today's video, I'm going to teach you what to do with past transactions in Monarch Money. If you're new or unfamiliar with tracking your expenses, managing past transactions effectively is crucial to keep your financial records neat and relevant. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First things first, you need to open the Monarch Money app. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in using your correct credentials. It's important to ensure that you're on a secure and trusted network when logging into any financial application to protect your personal information. Once you're logged in, you're ready to explore your past transactions. Next, navigate over to the Transactions section by tapping the Transactions tab within the app. This is where you'll find a comprehensive list of all your financial activity. Think of this section as your financial diary. It keeps a detailed account of money coming in and going out, and browsing through this can give you insights into your spending habits, and it can serve as a great tool for future planning. Once you have your transactions in view, you have the option to edit or recategorize any of them. To do this, simply tap on a specific transaction. You may want to change the category, maybe add more details for future reference, or even split amounts if one transaction pertains to multiple expenses. For instance, if you had a dinner outing that included business and personal expenses, you can split the transaction accordingly. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining precision in your budgeting categories, preventing incorrect allocation of funds. Now, you also have the option to ignore or archive certain transactions. Once you've reviewed a transaction and confirmed that it's accurately recorded, you can choose to leave it as is. Monarch Money is designed to automatically include these transactions in your reports, ensuring that your financial summaries are as accurate as possible. This means you don't have to worry about losing track of these transactions, even when they are no longer actively displayed. Working with past transactions might seem like a mundane task, but taking the time to review and adjust them can significantly enhance the accuracy of your financial records. Remember that staying on top of your finances is all about consistency and attention to detail. Taking control of your transactions not only aids in better budgeting, but also ensures that you have reliable financial data at your disposal whenever you might need it. Make it a point to regularly check and update your transactions to keep things organized and avoid any surprises down the line. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that it makes managing finances a bit more approachable. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.